Asaduddin Owaisi.
I am really shocked at what the Congress member has just said.
Please.
That he has completely forgotten that 3,000 Jammu and Kashmir police people laid down their lives in fighting militancy in Kashmir. So please don't demean the Jammu and Kashmir police. I want to know from the Honourable Minister that this is the only engineering college in the valley, and by removing J&K police, have you given a perception that you do not trust them? And also that that the non-locals can only be protected by CRPF. That is not good in controlling alienation. Madam, because we know for a fact that whenever there is no more militancy in J&K, you accept that. But when incidents of militancy take place, and in the namaz-e-janazah of these militants, thousands of people are attending. This shows the alienation is increasing for the youth under the age of 18. What are you going to do to ensure that this alienation stops at this instant? Because if you don't stop this alienation, believe me, no amount of CRPF would be able to create that emotional or physical security. My pertinent question to the Honourable Minister through you, Madam, is to ensure that alienation stops. Will this government, because you are sharing power with PDP, would you remove AFSPA from at least Srinagar? Would you remove more military bunkers from Srinagar? And this is your government. What is the steps you're going to take to decrease the alienation and to create security? Because you cannot give an answer over here and say, because this is the only engineering college. This is the only engineering college in the valley, and this has to be answered by the government.
Okay.